Well, here we are with artificial intelligence's silent takeover. Over 800 million jobs are at risk by the year 2030. The shocking reality of AI disruption across industries, from retail to finance. Are you prepared for the unprecedented workforce transformation? What will people do to be lucrative if we are outperformed by AI? I know two companies that are already utilizing this technology as their core business model to outperform its competitors. Be sure to let me know at the end of the video if you know of any other companies at this level. Remember Stephen Hawking, the brilliant Nobel Prize winner? He once said that automation in factories has already taken away jobs in traditional manufacturing, and he believed that artificial intelligence, AI, will probably make job losses go even deeper into middle-class work.
Now, when you watch software engineers and machine learning experts at work, as they have been on this project, how far along the path to artificial intelligence do you think we are? Those fascinating insights. Thank you very much, Professor Hawking.
The jobs that might stick around are the caring, creative, and supervisory roles. Artificial intelligence is transforming everything in our lives. Elon Musk, the tech visionary, has said that AI is getting super advanced and will be a hot topic. He even thinks that in around 20 years, AI could be better at most jobs than humans. So, rather than fearing the changes, some folks are looking to profit from them by investing in AI companies. Have you heard about ChatGPT? It's a super smart AI system made by OpenAI. Since it came out in November 2022, it's been doing things even better than humans. It's changing industries all around the world and how we use technology. In this video, we're checking out two tech and communication stocks that use ChatGPT's power. They're pretty interesting for investors. We'll look at the basics of each stock and some numbers to see how much they could grow. So, let's dive into these stocks and see why they're cool options for investors. Big shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring our video and its analytics. Make sure to get your 14-day free trial of Seeking Alpha Premium via the link in the description. You can only get the 14-day trial through the link below, so make sure to check them out, guys. Let's start with a company called Perion Network. They're a global digital advertising solutions company based in Israel. What they do is help businesses make money from online content and ads. They've been doing really well, consistently beating expectations and showing strong financial performance. Before we dive into their numbers, we should understand their operations of business. Some of you might be asking, what is Perion Network and what do they do? Perion Network is a global technology company that specializes in delivering high-quality advertising solutions and strategic business partnerships. They offer cutting-edge marketing platforms and tools that empower businesses to reach their target audience effectively. With their expertise in digital marketing and data-driven insights, Perion Network helps advertisers maximize their ROI and optimize their online advertising strategies. For instance, a popular online retailer partners with Perion Network to improve their digital advertising campaigns. Perion Network utilizes advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze customer data, identify patterns, and target specific demographics with personalized ads. This results in increased click-through rates, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, improved sales for the retailer. In their latest earnings report, their earnings per share were 48 cents, which was better than expected by 7 cents. Their revenue, which means the money they're making, was $145.15 million, and that's almost 16% more than the previous year. So, their business is growing quite a bit. Their net profits also went up by 45%, showing how well they're managing their money. Because of these great results, experts on Wall Street are actually raising their predictions for Perion's future. This means they're expecting the company to do even better going forward. Perion's growth is really impressive. Their growth grade, like a report card for companies, is super high. This means they're doing better than other companies in their sector. They've been making more money, improving their profits, and finding smart ways to take advantage of opportunities in the market. They've got some cool things going for them, like Code Fuel, which is their search technology division. It's making them a lot of money by showing ads to people when they're searching for things. They've also got other tricks up their sleeve, like targeted ads that show up when you're shopping or looking at news. Overall, Perion is doing really well, and their stock value has gone up by a big 80% in just a year. They've got a bunch of different strategies that are helping them make money, which is why they're such an interesting company for investors to consider. Perion's success comes from advertisers liking their services and using smart analysis to make more money. They're growing by being in different places where customers are. Right now, Perion's stock is selling for about 30.63 cents per share. That's gone up by around 22% this year, which is good news for investors. Compared to other big companies and similar businesses, Perion stock is doing really well. It's been going up a lot, showing strong momentum. In the past 9 months, Perion stock has done amazingly well, going up by 55%. That's much better than other similar companies, which have actually gone down by 16% on average. Because of this great performance, Perion gets a top rating for momentum, meaning it's likely to keep going up. Perion is also a good deal for investors right now. Their price-to-earnings ratio is lower than most companies in their sector. It means their stock might be cheaper compared to how much money they're making. Another number called the PEG ratio shows that their stock is actually a bargain compared to how much they're expected to grow. Even though Perion faced some challenges, like getting a new CEO and a tough market, they used their ChatGPT technology and did well. They've been able to make a profit, and the way they're using the money they get from shareholders is really efficient. Alright, let's dive into the second stock on our list, Supermicro Computer. These guys are big in the AI industry and they've been doing really well by making advanced servers and storage solutions for AI and powerful computing tasks. Their tech is a key part of making ChatGPT work smoothly. They've teamed up with NVIDIA, a big player in the tech world, to create a super AI development platform that can handle high-performance stuff. This is getting attention from experts and shows how much Supermicro Computer is growing. Now, let's talk about their stock value and how they're doing in the market. Right now, their stock is priced lower compared to other similar companies. They have a P/E ratio that's lower, which is a sign that their stock might be cheaper. They also have a good forward PEG ratio, which means they might be a great deal for the growth they're expected to have. Supermicro Computer is teaming up with big names like NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD, which gives them an edge in the market. The demand for their high-powered computing solutions for AI and ChatGPT is growing, which is a big advantage for them. Supermicro Computer's business model operates on providing high-performance, energy-efficient server solutions to businesses in the technology industry. Their online advertising strategy focuses on targeting tech companies through platforms like Google Ads and social media. By utilizing keywords relevant to their products and services, Supermicro Computer ensures that their ads are shown to the right audience, maximizing their chances of converting leads into customers. Additionally, they regularly track and analyze the performance of their ads to optimize their campaigns and ensure a high return on investment. Supermicro Computer also leverages retargeting techniques to reach potential customers who have previously shown interest in their products. This allows them to stay top of mind and increase the likelihood of conversion. Furthermore, the company constantly stays updated on the latest trends and advancements in the technology industry, allowing them to tailor their advertising strategies accordingly. They understand the importance of staying ahead of the competition and continuously evolving their approach to meet the ever-changing needs of their target audience. This dedication to staying current and adapting their advertising strategies has played a significant role in Supermicro Computer's success in the technology industry. For example, when virtual reality (VR) technology started gaining popularity, Supermicro Computer quickly recognized its potential and incorporated VR elements into their advertisements. They created immersive VR experiences that allowed customers to virtually explore their latest computer models, giving them a unique and interactive way to engage with the brand. This innovative approach not only attracted tech-savvy customers but also positioned Supermicro Computer as a leader in embracing cutting-edge technologies. Although they missed earnings expectations by a bit, Supermicro Computer has been consistently doing well in other quarters. Their revenue is growing, their margins are getting better, and they're constantly coming up with new and better tech. This all adds up to them having a strong position to grab more of the market and keep growing. So, to sum it up, Supermicro Computer and Perion Network are both good options for investors who want to be part of the AI trend. They're making profits, they're growing, and experts are looking at them positively. Plus, their stocks are priced well, compared to what they're achieving. Including these stocks in your investment plan could be a smart move to tap into the opportunities AI is offering.